Okay, lesson 5.4. So, the very last triangle congruence theorem you're going to learn in this credit is SSS triangle congruence theorem, which says if three sides of one triangle are congruent to three sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. So we don't have to know anything about the angles. We could just say if it happens that this side is congruent to this side is congruent to this side is congruent to this side, all three sides are congruent, then the triangles are congruent. Okay? So let's look at an example. Number 10. Prove that the triangles are congruent or explain why this is not possible. Let's see. This is 6 meters, this is 6 meters, this is 9 meters, this is 9 meters, and then the last side, RT, can we say those are congruent? Sure can, because they share it, right? It's like the exact same one. So 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks. So we're going to say SR is congruent to SR. ST is congruent to ST. And then RT is congruent to RT. I should do this S, S, S. So triangle RST, why is it doing that? Triangle RST is congruent to triangle RQT by SSS. Okay, this one, SSS. Let's see. We have this side is congruent to this side. Okay, so ZY is congruent to NP because of those congruence marks. And then also XY is congruent to MN. And do we have the last side is congruent? We don't, right? And then even if we were to try to use another triangle congruence theorem like SAS, this angle right here, angle Y, is 50 degrees and angle N is 51 degrees. So automatically we know that they're not congruent. So we can say not congruent. Not congruent because angle Y is not congruent to angle N. Yeah, that's it. Or because we don't know this. Okay, next one. 12 centimeters. I don't have 12 centimeters in the other one. Let's see, all I have is that this is 8 centimeters, this is 8 centimeters, and that's it. So, not congruent. Or we don't know if they're congruent because we don't know the other sides. Okay? This one. JK is 7. I don't know these. This is 9. This is 8. So this is also not congruent because we don't know the other sides. That works for this one too. Okay, last thing. So I want you to pause the video, see if you can get this one. Find the missing values in the figure so that the triangles are congruent by SSS. So we want all of the sides to be congruent to each other. So we need to fill in what does RQ need to be for that to happen, and what does ST need to be for that to happen. Try it out. Pause the video. I'm going to show you the answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, we already have that these are both 7 centimeters, so we just need that RQ and TU are congruent, so that means RQ would need to be 5. And then we'd want ST to be 8 because we want it to be equal to PQ. So there we go. That's it. That is the end of the credit, so make sure that you try the credit checkpoint questions. You're going to finish your credit checkpoint and also try the practice performance task. Okay, make sure that you do that right now.